Welcome back everyone. Today we are going to explore some exciting new features that will enhance your research and note-taking experience using two powerful tools, Zotero and Obsidian. And guess what? I will show you how to integrate them seamlessly to boost your productivity. So let's dive right in. Firstly, if you are not familiar with Zotero, it's a fantastic reference management software that helps you organize and cite your research sources with ease. But that's not all. We will also be using Obsidian, a note-taking application perfect for building knowledge bases and making meaningful connections between your ideas. Combining these two tools opens up a whole new world of possibilities. Alright, let's get started. We need two plugins for this workflow, one plugin for each tool. So let's get started with installing the Better BibTeX plugin for Zotero. To do this, head over to the Better BibTeX installation page. From there, navigate to the latest release and download the XPI file. With the XPI file in hand, let's find the add-on setting in Zotero. If you are using a Windows machine, it's under Tools, Add-ons, and it will open up Add-ons Manager. You can simply drag and drop the downloaded XPI file into the Add-ons Manager, or you can click on this gear icon and install add-on from file. The Better BibTeX plugin is now installed and ready to supercharge your Zotero experience. Let's now shift our focus to Obsidian. Before we begin, we will make sure our Obsidian workspace is well organized. I have created 3 folders to manage text annotations, images and templates. I have named them Zotero Notes, Zotero Attachments and Templates. Now I will drop my template for Zotero integration under the Templates folder. Templates play a crucial role in formatting the imported annotations. Let's take a quick look at this file. This file consists of several parts. The first part contains the metadata for the imported annotations, such as title, authors, publication year, publisher, keywords, cite keys, abstract, link to open the paper in Zotero, URL, DOI, and the paper's reference in a specified style. The next part displays the web page of the URL as a frame. After that, we have self notes. These are additional notes you can add in Obsidian after importing annotations, ensuring they won't be overwritten by the plugin. Finally, the last part is how the annotations will look like after import. The annotations will be organized according to the colors given to them in Zotero. There are 8 color codes with corresponding descriptions. For example, blue for background information or prerequisites, green for assumptions, questions, goals, problems, and so on. I have used almost all the colors available in Zotero. These color codes will help you quickly identify different types of annotations. Now let's see a PDF in Zotero that I have already annotated. As you can see, each annotation has been given a specific color, and even the image annotation is represented by a rectangular box with a color code. Now that we have seen the annotated PDF, let's set up the Zotero integration plugin. Open Obsidian and click on the settings icon in the bottom left corner of the screen. Then go to the Community Plugins tab on the left menu. Here comes the exciting part. Click the Turn on Community Plugins button and a whole array of awesome features opens up. Among these community plugins, we will focus on one that integrates Zotero with Obsidian. Click on the Browse button and search for the Zotero integration plugin. Once you find it, hit Install in the plugin window. After the installation, push Enable. Next, we need to set up the plugin. Click on Options. Download the PDF utility, a handy tool that enhances your PDF management within Obsidian. Select Zotero as your database. Open the created or updated node after import and enable annotation concatenation. Now let's configure the import settings. Name it anything you want. For example, import annotations. Select your desired import folder for the annotations from Zotero. We have already created one named Zotero annotations, and under this folder, the files will be named using the site key of the paper, which is generated by the Better BibTeX plugin. Images will be stored under the annotations folder, so let's give the path of the folder. The most important thing is to specify the template, which we have already put under the templates folder. Specify the path to the template. Now let's add a hotkey to your custom import for quick access. Go to Settings, Hotkeys, search for Import Annotations, and specify a hotkey. And now the magic begins. When you push the hotkey, you can search your Zotero library directly from Obsidian. Search the paper you want to pull the annotations for. Amazing, right? With just a simple hotkey, a formatted page is created based on your template with all the relevant information from Zotero. The page is named by the site key for ease of citation. And here is every detail we set up in the template. The metadata, including the link to Zotero, URL, web page as a frame, and annotations. For each annotation, a link is also present if you want to go back to the PDF to see where this annotation is located. And there you have it. By integrating Better BibTeX, Zotero, and Obsidian, you are taking a giant leap forward in your research and note-taking journey. Now you can stay organized, efficiently manage your references, and create well-structured notes with ease. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting content. Share this with your fellow researchers and students so they too can benefit from these incredible tools. Thanks for watching and happy researching.